Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to print out shipping labels on Shopify, so let's dive right in. To get started with Shopify, click the link in the description. This will take you to the Shopify homepage. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up there. If you already have an account, just log in to access your dashboard. On the left side of the screen, navigate to the menu and click on Apps. Then, click on Shopify App Store. A new window will open. In the search bar at the top of the page, type Shipping Label and press Enter. You will see a list of shipping label apps. Choose an app from the list. For this example, I'll select the Aftership app. Click on the Install button and confirm the installation by clicking Install again. You will be redirected to the Aftership website. Here, enter your personal details in the required fields and click on Free Trial. After completing this step, you'll be taken to your Aftership account homepage. Look for the Printing Label feature and click on it. Next, select the Create Order button. If you already have orders, they will appear on this page. If you don't have any orders yet, you will need to create a new one. Enter the necessary details for the new order and click Next. You will then be able to print the shipping label for that order. That's how you print out shipping labels on Shopify. You can find a link to Shopify in the description. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.